Hello guys, welcome back to the Zaki Crypto Update channel, the #1 XRP community on YouTube. I'm thrilled to have you all here today because we're diving into some exciting developments in the world of XRP and the broader crypto market. If you've been following the charts closely, you've probably noticed that XRP is on a roll, jumping an impressive 20% and breaking through the $0.50 mark. But the big question we're all asking is, could XRP hit $0.65 by the weekend? Or maybe even higher in the coming weeks? Before we get into the nitty-gritty details, let me just give you a quick reminder. Everything I share here is for educational and entertainment purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor, and this isn't financial advice. Always do your research and make sure you're comfortable with any investment decisions you make. All right, with that out of the way, let's get into it. So what's been happening in the crypto world to spark this rally? Let's take a step back and look at the bigger picture. The broader crypto market has been on a wild ride lately. After a period of bearish sentiment that saw Bitcoin dip to $49,000, we've witnessed a strong comeback. Bitcoin, the king of cryptocurrencies, has clawed its way back above the $55,000 mark. This resurgence has breathed new life into altcoins, including our favorite XRP. Now, why is this important? Well, Bitcoin often sets the tone for the entire crypto market. When Bitcoin rallies, it tends to pull other coins along with it. And that's exactly what we're seeing here. As Bitcoin reclaimed $55,000, the positive sentiment spread across the market, with altcoins like XRP benefiting significantly. But it's not just the crypto market that's bouncing back. We've also seen some recovery in traditional markets, despite a rough start to the week. On Monday, the Dow Jones dropped by 2.60%, and a staggering $1.93 trillion was wiped off the US markets. That's a huge hit, but interestingly, it didn't drag the crypto market down with it. Instead, the crypto space showed resilience and is now bouncing back stronger than ever. Over in Asia, both the Japanese and Indian indices are recovering as well, which is adding to the bullish momentum we're seeing in crypto. As we speak, the total market cap of the crypto market is eyeing a return to the $2 trillion mark. That's an 8.5% gain today alone. This kind of recovery is exactly what we need to see if we want XRP and other altcoins to continue their upward trajectory. Let's focus on XRP now. This altcoin has always been known for its volatility, and the latest price action is a perfect example of why XRP remains a trader's favorite. After dipping to a low of $0.43, XRP has staged an incredible comeback, rising 20% in just 16 hours to break through the $0.50 psychological barrier. This kind of sharp reversal is exactly what gets traders and investors excited, but it also raises some important questions. Can XRP sustain this momentum? Could we see another 25% surge this week, pushing XRP towards $0.65 or even higher? Let's break down the technicals. XRP's recovery is significant because it's not just a random bounce, it's a structured reversal that's brought XRP right to the edge of breaking above a key resistance trend line. We're seeing a classic V-shaped reversal pattern forming on the charts, which is typically a bullish sign. This pattern suggests that the market has found a bottom and is now in the process of reversing the downtrend. However, we can't ignore the bearish influences that are still in play. The recent crash left a mark on the charts, and we're currently seeing warnings of a potential death cross between the 50 and 200 EMAs on the 4-hour chart. For those of you who might not be familiar, a death cross is a technical pattern where a short-term moving average crosses below a long-term moving average. It's generally considered a bearish signal, indicating that further downside could be ahead. But it's not all bad news. Despite the looming death cross, XRP has managed to challenge the 38.20% Fibonacci retracement level at $0.51945. This level is crucial because it represents a key area of resistance that, if broken, could pave the way for further gains. Additionally, we're seeing a bullish crossover between the MACD and signal lines, which is another positive sign. The MACD is a trend following momentum indicator, and a bullish crossover typically signals that the momentum is shifting in favor of the bulls. So what can we expect moving forward? Let's take a closer look at the daily chart to get a better sense of where XRP might be headed next. On the one-day chart, we've seen a strong lower price rejection in the daily candle, with XRP managing to close above the $0.48 level. This kind of price action is encouraging because it suggests that buyers are stepping in to support the price at these levels. Today's intraday jump of 4.81% is further confirmation that the bulls are in control. We're seeing a bullish candle forming on the chart, which is aiming to completely erase the losses from yesterday's decline. As long as XRP stays above the 23.60% Fibonacci retracement level at $0.47716, the chances of a continued uptrend are looking pretty good. But remember, we still need to keep an eye on the potential golden crossover between the 50-day and 200-day EMAs. A golden crossover would be a strong bullish signal indicating that the long-term trend is shifting in favor of the bulls. Now, let's talk about some potential price targets. If XRP can break through the resistance at $0.51945 and maintain its momentum, the next key level to watch is the $0.555-$0.60 range. This area represents a significant resistance zone, and a breakout above it could open the door for a run towards $0.65 or even higher. Of course, there are always risks to consider. The broader market conditions, news events, and changes in sentiment can all impact XRP's price. But based on the technicals, there's a good chance that XRP could continue its recovery and push toward those higher levels. Now let's talk about what the traders are thinking, especially over on Binance. When it comes to gauging market sentiment, one of the best places to look is the long-short ratio, which shows us how traders are positioning themselves. According to data from CoinLast, the top XRP traders on Binance are overwhelmingly bullish. The long-short ratio for accounts is sitting at 2.4412, and for positions, it's at 1.6412. When we zoom out and look at the overall long-short ratio for all accounts, it's even higher at 2.6969. What does this mean? Essentially, the big players, the ones who are moving significant amounts of capital, are betting on a longer rally for XRP. They're confident that XRP has more room to run, and they're positioning themselves accordingly. This is an important factor to consider because these top traders often have access to information and analysis that the average retail investor might not. If they're this bullish, it's a strong indicator that the sentiment around XRP is positive, at least in the short to medium term. But it's not just about the long-short ratio. We're also seeing a significant increase in trading volume. Earlier today, XRP posted a massive trading volume of over $3.2 billion. High trading volume is a sign of strong interest and participation in the market, which is exactly what we want to see in a healthy rally. The higher the volume, the more likely it is that the price move is sustainable. So with all this bullish momentum, the big question remains, could XRP hit $1? It's not out of the realm of possibility, especially if the current trends continue. As the market recovers and demand for XRP increases, the bulls might just have the momentum they need to push XRP to new heights. For context, let's look at the technicals again. According to the Fibonacci levels in the 4-hour chart, if XRP can break through the trend line and sustain its upward momentum, we could see it challenging the $0.65 peak shortly. And if that happens, the hype around XRP could build even further, potentially propelling it toward $1 by the end of the year. But what could drive XRP to those levels? One key factor to watch is the broader market sentiment, particularly around Bitcoin and other major cryptocurrencies. If Bitcoin continues to rally and regain its footing, it will likely lift XRP and other altcoins along with it. Additionally, there's a lot of speculation about potential Fed rate cuts in September. If the Fed does cut rates, it could lead to a surge in demand for risk assets like cryptocurrencies, providing another tailwind for XRP. Of course, it's important to stay grounded and remember that the crypto market is notoriously volatile. Prices can change quickly, and it's crucial to stay informed and adapt to new information as it becomes available. But based on the current data and market conditions, there's a case to be made for XRP reaching $0.65 by the weekend and possibly even $1 in the coming months. And that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you found this update helpful and that it gives you some valuable insights into what's happening with XRP and the broader crypto market. If you enjoyed the content, please do me a favor, smash that like button, share this video with your fellow crypto enthusiasts, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. Do you think XRP will hit $0.65 by the weekend, or do you have your sights set on an even higher target? I love hearing what you guys think, so don't be shy. And of course, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to Zachy Crypto Update for more in-depth analysis, news, and updates on all things crypto. I've got a lot more great content coming your way, so stay tuned and stay informed.